Welcome back, students. So today we will do the problems related to the equations of motion. That is v equal to u plus at, s is equal to ut plus half at square and v square equal to u square plus 2as. So any of these three equations we can use, and according to the question we will choose which one is most suitable and we will do the problems. Okay. So first question, this is the first question. A train starting from rest attains a velocity of 72 km per hour in 5 minutes. Assuming that the acceleration is uniform, find the acceleration, distance travelled by the train for attaining this velocity. So if a question is given like this, read the question twice or thrice. Then you will get an idea how to calculate it. Okay. So a train starting from rest. If any object starting from rest, starting from a bus station, starting from a railway station, in all these cases, initial velocity will be 0. In all these cases, initial velocity will be 0. That's why I told you to read the question twice or thrice. Then only you will get an idea how to do it. So, an object starts from rest, starting from railway station, starting from bus stop. In all these cases, initial velocity will be 0. Initial velocity will be 0. So, I will write it here. So, first I will write what all things are given in the question. So, here initial velocity equal to 0 meter per second. Initial velocity is 0 meter per second. Now, a train starting from rest attains a velocity of 72 km per hour. A train starting from rest attains a velocity of 72 km per hour. So, that is a final velocity. That is a final velocity 72 km per hour. It is given in kilometer per hour. So, you need to convert it into meter per second. How will you convert kilometer per hour to meter per second? You have to multiply with 5 by 18. So, you have to multiply with 5 by 18. So, 72 into 5 by 18 meter per second. Now, in 5 seconds, time is given, in 5 minutes, time is given in minutes. It should be converted into SI unit, that is seconds. How will you convert minute to seconds? Multiply by 60. Okay. So, 5 into 60, that much seconds. Now, what's the first one? Find the acceleration. So, starting from rest, initial velocity is 0. Now, final velocity v equal to 72 km per hour. That is equal to 72 into 5 by 18. 72 into 5 by 18. 18 will go 4 times in 72. That is equal to 4 into 5. 20 meter per second. So, the final velocity you got it as 20 meter per second. 20 meter per second. Now, time. T is given as 5 minutes. That is equal to 5 into 60 seconds. 5 into 60 seconds. That is equal to 300 seconds. 300 seconds. So, if an object starts from rest, starting from a railway station, starting from bus stop or bus station, then in all these cases, initial velocity will be 0. If final velocity, then final velocity here it is in this question is given as 72 km per hour. If it is given in kilometer per hour, you need to convert it into meter per second. That is, you have to multiply with 5 by 18. Then, time is given in this question, 5 minutes. If it is given in minutes, you should have to convert it into seconds. Means you have to multiply with 60. So, 5 into 60. Then, what is the question? You need to find the acceleration and the distance travelled. Acceleration and the distance travelled. Now, what is the equation to find acceleration? A equal to V minus U by T. So, we will write the equation. A equal to V minus U by T, that is equal to 20 minus 0 by 300. 20 minus 0 by 300, that is equal to 20 by 300. Now, what's the answer? Equal to 0 will get cancelled, 15. So, 1 by 15 meter per second square. 1 by 15 meter per second square. Now, so acceleration you got it as 1 by 15 meter per second square. Now, what's the second question? You need to find the distance travelled. So, distance travelled equal to distance travelled is equal to, you can use the equation ut plus half a t square. You can use the equation s is equal to ut plus half a t square, that is u0 into 300 seconds plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 15 meter per second square into 300 second square. So, I wrote the equation s is equal to ut plus half a t square and I substituted in the equation with units. So, u is 0, t is 300. So, 0 into 300 plus 1 by 2 into 15 meter per second square, that is the acceleration, into t square, that is 300 seconds the whole square. Now, what's the answer? 0 into 300, 0. 0 into 300 is 0 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 15 into 300 into 300 meter. Here, this second square and 1 second square will be there in 300. 300 seconds whole square. Okay. So, here or I will write it in this way. Meter per second square into 300 second into 300 second. So, second into second, second square. So, these two will get cancelled. Now, what's remaining? 0 plus, now 1 by 2 into 15 into 300 into 300 meter. Now, that is 0 plus, now cancel it, anything is there to cancel? It's 1 by 15. Yeah, with 15 you can cancel. So, yeah, 2, 20, then with 2, 10. So, what's the answer? 3000 meter. The answer is 3000 meter or 3 kilometer or 3 kilometer. So, how we did it? When you look, all these equal sign are in the same line. Okay, all these equal signs are in the same line. Okay, so in your notebook also you have to do it in the same way. All the equal signs should be in the same level. Okay, so how we did it? First, in this question, the object starts from rest. So, initial velocity is 0. Final velocity is given in kilometer per hour. So, we converted it into meter per second. Then, time is given in minutes. So, we converted into seconds. When you do the calculation or when you do the problem, maximum convert the all physical quantities in its SI units. Okay, velocity meter per second, distance meter, acceleration meter per second square, time seconds. Okay, maximum convert the whole physical quantity of what's the number given in that question. If it is given in kilometer per hour, convert it into meter per second. If it is given in hours, minutes, convert it into seconds. Okay, and do the problem. So, equation we wrote A equal to V minus U by T and we calculated the acceleration. Then we need to find the distance. Any of the two equations we can use. V square minus U square also equal to 2AS also you can use. S is equal to UT plus half AT square also you can use. Now here I will show you with the equation V square minus U square equal to 2AS. So that is V square minus U square equal to 2AS or S equal to V square minus U square by 2A. V square you got it as V20. 20 meter per second the whole square minus 0 meter per second the whole square divided by 2 into 1 by 15 meter per second square. I substituted in this equation. Any of these two equations you can use to find the distance traveled. If time is given, then you can use this equation. If time is not given in a question, you can use that equation. V square minus U square equal to 2AS. Now, what is the answer? 20 square, 20 into 20 meter square by second square divided by 2 by 15 meter per second square. That is 20 into 20 by 2 into 15. So, take the reciprocal of this one and multiply. Okay, take the reciprocal of this 2 by 15 and multiply. So, it will be 15 by 2. So, it will get cancelled. Now, 15 into 2, 30. 30, then 2 zeros. That much meter. Here, meter square by second square divided by meter per second square. This one will get cancelled. 1 meter and 1 meter square will get cancelled. So, meter will be there. Both equation you can use to find the answer. If time is given, then use this equation. If time is not given, then use the third equation to find the answer. Okay. So, we will do the next problem, that is, a car accelerates uniformly from 18 km per hour to 36 km per hour in 5 seconds. A car accelerates uniformly from 18 km per hour to 36 km per hour in 5 seconds. What is the acceleration and the distance travelled? So, from one velocity to another velocity. So, initial velocity is the first one and final velocity is the last one. So, u equal to 18 kilometer per hour, that is 18 into 5 by 18 will get cancelled, that is 5 meter per second. 5 meter per second. Then v equal to 36 kilometer per hour. That also we need to convert it into meter per second. That is 36 into 5 by 18. So, 18 will go 2 times in 36. So, 2, that is 10 meter per second. Then time you got it as, what's the time? 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Now we will write the equation to find acceleration. A equal to v minus u by t. Now substitute in this equation. So 10 minus 5 by 5. 10 minus 5 by 5. Don't cancel the 5 and 5. First do the calculation in the numerator. That is 10 minus 5. So you will get the answer as 5 by 5, that is equal to 1 meter per second square. So acceleration you got it as 1 meter per second square. Okay. Then distance travel, S is equal to time is given here. So you can use the equation ut plus half a t square. S is equal to ut plus half a t square, that is u is 5 meter per second into 5 second, 5 meter per second into 5 second plus 1 by 2 into 1 meter per second square into time is 5 second into 5 second. 5 second into 5 second. So here the second and the second will get cancelled. This second square and this 2 seconds will get cancelled. Now what's remaining? 5 into 5, 25 meter plus 1 by 2 into 5 into 5, 25 meter. 25 meter plus 25 by 2 meter. So what's the answer? 25 by 2. So 25 meter 25 meter plus, when you divide 25 by 2, you will get 12.5 meter. 12.5 meter, and you add it. 25 plus 12.5, you will get the answer 37.5 meter. 37.5 meter. Okay. So, read the question twice or thrice. Write what all things are given in the question. If it is given in kilometer per hour, convert it into meter per second. If it is given in hours or minutes, convert it into seconds in case of time. Now find the acceleration. According to the question, what is to be calculated? If you are asked to calculate acceleration, find the acceleration using the equation A equal to E minus U by T. If you are asked to calculate distance, then if time is given, then you can use the equation S is equal to ut plus half a t square. Otherwise, you can use the equation v square minus u square equal to 2as. Okay. One more question is there. Yeah, this is the third question. Brakes are applied to a car, produces an acceleration of 6 meter per second square in opposite direction of motion. Opposite direction of motion means it's actually retardation. So, retardation is represented by a negative sign, or retardation is also known as negative acceleration. Negative acceleration. So, if an acceleration is given minus 9.8 meter per second square or minus 10 meter per second square, that means it's retardation. Okay. So, here acceleration is in the opposite direction of motion, that is A equal to minus 6 meter per second square. Now, if a car takes 2 seconds to stop after the application of the brakes. If a car takes 2 seconds to stop after the application of brakes. So, when you apply brake, what will happen? That object will comes to rest. That object will comes to rest. Means its final velocity is 0. Its final velocity is 0. So, brakes are applied or coming to rest. In all these cases, final velocity will be 0. Okay, remember it. Okay, that is not given in the question. In the question it's given brakes are applied. So, you will get an idea when brakes are applied, the object will comes to rest. Means its final velocity is 0. Its final velocity is 0. So, we will solve it like this and calculate the distance travelled. Okay, calculate the distance travelled. Now, so acceleration minus 6 meter per second square, time 2 seconds, final velocity 0 meter per second. 0 meter per second. Now, we need to find the distance travelled. So, two equations I will write. S is equal to ut plus half a t square, v square minus u square equal to 2as. Okay. Any of these two equations we can use. Any of the two equations we can use. Here, if you are using this equation, time is given and acceleration is given. This one is not given. Initial velocity is not given. Now, when you consider this equation, actually you need to find the distance travelled. Acceleration is given, final velocity is given. Initial velocity is not given. So, you need to find the initial velocity. You need to find the initial velocity. So, using the first equation, we will find the initial velocity, that is v equal to u plus at. We will write the first equation of motion, v equal to u plus at, and we will from this equation we will derive an equation for u. So, I will take this at to this side. So, v minus at equal to u. I take this at to this side. So, v minus at equal to u. Now, I will substitute in this equation, that is 0 meter per second minus 6 meter per second square into 2 seconds equal to u. In which way I substituted? V 0 meter per second minus 6, because acceleration is already negative. Acceleration is already negative here. So, minus 6. Minus into minus, positive. So, plus 12. Now, 1 meter per second square is there, 1 second is there. So, it will get cancelled. 12 meter per second equal to u. So, you got the initial velocity as 12 meter per second. Initial velocity as 12 meter per second. Okay. Now, you need to find the distance travel. Any of the equation we can use and we can find the distance travel. I will use ut plus half at square, or you can use the third equation also, no problem. I will substitute in this one, that is 12 meter per second into 2 second plus 1 by 2 into minus 6 meter per second square into 2 second into 2 second. T square, that is 2 second into 2 seconds. So, 12 into 2, 24 meter plus, will get cancelled 3. This second square and second square will get cancelled. So, 4 into 3, 12 minus 12 meter, 24 meter plus minus 12 meter, 24 meter plus minus 12 meter. The answer is plus 12 meter. The answer is plus 12 meter. Okay. So, read the question once or twice or thrice. Then you write it, what all things are given in the question. Then when you write it, that equal sign should be in the same level. Substitute in the equation with unit and cancel all those units which are similar. That is meter per second square and second into second. So, second square and 2 seconds will get cancelled in this calculation. Here also second and second will get cancelled. Okay. So, do the calculations neatly in your book. Okay. Do the calculations, all those things neatly in your book. Okay. Thank you.